Hello everyone, and welcome to today's class. Today we're going to look at the product component. Okay. So this is another lesson for the product component. Okay. So today we are still looking at the product component, and I want people to master it very well. Okay. So today we're looking at this product component, and I want everybody to master it very well because we are going to use it really a lot in our upcoming projects. Okay, we're going to use this product component really a lot in our upcoming project. So I want everybody to master it very well. Okay. So as you can see, it's like this. Okay. And then we're going to use an example. The example we're going to use today is televisions. Okay. The example we're going to use today is televisions. The example we're going to use today is televisions. Okay. So this is the example we're going to use today. It's televisions. So members, I want us to go ahead and we see. So I have here my project. It's here. Okay. My project is there. So here, members, you can see my project here is empty. Are you seeing my project? It is empty. Okay. So members, I'm going to explain to you exactly what we do when we are dealing with the product component right from the very beginning. Okay. This is the second example of what we covered yesterday. So they also covered the product component, even they are covering the product component. Okay. So members, I want to explain to you this concept in the simplest terms possible, and you understand it from scratch. Okay. So members, you can see that right now there is my page.tsx as you see it here. My page.tsx is here. This is, and you know very well that this is my home page. Okay. So right now, as you can see, I put here, for example, RFC. So it gives me the React function component, and it is here. Okay. So I can come, I put here, for example, class name. Then I put here width I put here, let me say like full. Then I put here height I can put maybe like screen. Okay. So remember, this is a repetition, like this is a second chance for someone who didn't understand yesterday the lesson. Yes, for yesterday. Okay. So remember, as you can see here with the full height screen, then I put here BG. Let me say here orange red. Okay, just like this is a orange 600. So right now you can see my localhost is here, okay, my localhost is here. So members, I want to show it to you this one. I want to show it to you very well. So my localhost is here. So let me come, I load the server here, and you see. So I put here npm, okay, npm run dev. So I want to load the localhost, and I see what I am doing, what I am dealing with, okay, which is here. So right now I'm running the server, and I see what I am doing. So it's coming. So I come there, I copy this link here as you see it here. Okay. I can either press Ctrl and sit here and space bar to move through it, or I just copy all of it, and I place it inside here like this. Okay. So then I wait for it to load. So I'm now waiting for it to load. Okay. So members, this is a second chance for whoever. This is the second chance for whoever did not understand yesterday's class. Okay. So members, we are now dealing with the product component, and we are going to look at televisions, just televisions alone. Okay. So remember, this is a second chance for someone who didn't understand yesterday's class. And remember, if you haven't yet subscribed, please hit the subscribe button and the notification icon so that you don't forget any of the upcoming classes. Okay. I don't want you to miss any of the upcoming classes. Okay. So members, right now you can see my page.tsx is here. It's the one which is orange. So that is orange. Are you seeing it? Okay. So right now, what is my emphasis? My emphasis is to create. You see, this is the page. This is my main page. I want to put them. This is my main page. Okay, this is my main page. As you can see, it looks like this. Okay. So this is my main page. So what am I going to do? Look at what I'm going to do. I'm going to come here and I create the product container. Okay, I'm creating the product container. Okay, the product container is one which is going to bring the products onto this UI here as you see it here. Okay. So I come outside here, I create the product container. I come, I say components. I got a folder called components, okay? Okay. Then I come, I create here. I create here product container, okay? Product container. Or I can put here products, okay? Container, okay? This is the container that is holding all the products, okay? Okay. So product container as you see .tsx, okay? Okay. Then I come, I put here rfc. So right now my product container is here, okay? Okay, so I'm going to bring this product container here in my main page, okay? I'll bring it here in my main page, okay? Okay, so I come, I bring it there, I say product container, okay? So they import it right from the components. Are you seeing here? Import product container from components. It's coming from this side here, okay? Okay, onto my main page, as you can see, okay? Okay, so right now my product container, as you see, it looks like this. I can even come, I style it. I come, I style it, I say your class name, okay? Class name, and I put here. Maybe what I can do to this one, I can maybe put this one as, I can maybe put the, like this is mean height, okay? Screen, okay? Okay, then I come here, for example, class name here where there's product container. I come, I put here width, full, okay? Then I come, I say here mean height, still mean height. I can maybe put like screen, okay? Okay, then I put here BG, maybe blue, maybe BG like blue, okay? Okay, blue 700 as you see it here, okay? Okay, so in the outside it looks like it's coming. So what has happened? It has covered this page, okay? It has covered this whole entire page. If I had said here mean height screen, mean height a half. If I had said mean height a half, yeah, you just know what would have happened. It was going to cover halfway of this screen, okay? Okay. If I had said mean height, like let me say like this is full. So if I came, I said here maybe 50 VH, okay, 50 VH, okay, then we see. So it was going to cover halfway the product, the page. Are you seeing the page? The page is outside, okay. This one is on top. This one is on top. So to cover the whole of it, I just come, I say 100 VH, 100 VH, which is the same as screen. This one is the same as just putting screen, okay? Okay. So I hope you are really understanding this very well. So it covers the whole thing, okay? Okay. So right now it looks like that. So even if I come and even remove this BG 600 here, the BG orange, this BG here, this BG orange, which you see here 600, even if I come and remove it, there is no problem, okay? I've already accomplished what I want, okay? Okay, so this is the product container. Are you seeing it? This is the product container, okay? Okay, so right now what am I going to do? What am I going to do? I'm now going to come inside the product container, this one you're seeing here. Then inside the product container, I put here. This is the product container. This is the products. This is the products container, okay? It's the products container as you see it here, okay? Okay. So this one here, it contains all the products, okay? All the products, okay? Okay, as you can see, it's like this. So members, this container here contains all the products, okay? Okay, so what is going to happen? I am going to come here on this container here. This is where I'm going to put my products in this very container. This product container I'm seeing here is where I'm going to put my products, okay? Okay, so right now what do? I need to create the product component, okay? The product component, okay? Okay, see, the product component is the main emphasis of our class today. The product component is the main emphasis of our class today. So I go inside the components here and I create product.tsx. Product.tsx. Okay? Okay. So this product as you see it here. Okay? So members, what am I going to achieve? Before I can do that, what am I going to achieve? I want whereby my UI is, for example, like this. Okay? For example, I can have here my UI as you see it here. Then it has, for example, a television here. Okay? It has a television here. Okay? Okay, it has another television. It has another television, for example, like here. Okay, so it has like this television as you see it here. Okay, then it has even another television. Okay, then it has even another television. Another television is going to come, for example, like here. Okay, then others are going to follow below here down. Okay, so to achieve this, where there is this TV here, where there is this TV, even there is this one here, there is this one here, this TV here, and also there is this other TV as you see it here. So this is the third one, and even there are more which are down there, which are coming down there. Okay, so to achieve this feature, what do? We first start with one. The trick is most people they get confused. Most people, the majority get confused. I can even put here majority get confused. Majority get confused. Okay, get confused. We start normally with one. We start with one. We start with one. We start with one. Okay, we normally start with one. Okay, so this one should not confuse. We start with one as always. Always and always we start with one television. Okay, or one product. Okay, okay. So I'm going to do this. I want to show it to you how we are going to do this. Okay, okay. So you watch and see. So I'm going to come here, product.tsx as you see it here. I put here RFC. Okay, so this is now where the product is going to be. Okay, okay. So right now, as you see, this one is the overall container. So I'm going to come here and right now call that product. Okay, I call that product. I say a product. Okay, as you see, it is like this. So I'm calling that product. Okay, I'm calling that product. So now after calling the product, I know it will come eventually. So let me come and give it some bit of color and I see how it looks. Class name. Okay, class name, and I put here, for example, width full. No, let me put here width like a quarter. Okay, then I put here height, width a quarter. Then I put here height. Height I can maybe put like 70 VH or 60, but 70 VH will work for me. And I put here, for example, BG green. Okay, BG green, as you see here, BG green 700. So members, I want you to see what is going to happen. So I understand what is happening right now. Width, yes. Width, okay. Width is quarter, okay? Quarter, just like this. So it's coming. So it's like that, okay? Okay. So right now this is going to be my product. At the end of it, this one you're seeing here, which is green, is going to be my product, okay? Okay. We normally start with one. This should not confuse the members. We normally start with one. Make sure that one works, then the rest are going to just come naturally. Okay? If you make one work, the rest are going to come naturally. Okay? Don't start with the thing. If you are beginning this, if you learn this concept for the very first time, don't start by putting many. You get confused, and in the future, in the long run, you will not know what to put where and where to put what. Okay? Okay. So remember, this is the component here. This is the product component as you see it here. So I want to style this component until it looks actual. Okay? Okay. So I'm going to come and put here, for example, image. Okay? I put here div. Then I put here class name. Then I put here, for example, width full. Okay? Width full. Then I put here height. Height I can maybe put like 40 VH. Okay? Like 40 VH. Then I put here BG. BG maybe red. Okay? Maybe red like 600. Okay? Okay. So I want to see how it looks like. So members, I want to see how it looks like. It looks like this. Okay? Okay. So members, you can see it looks like this. Okay? Okay. So this is where I'm seeing which is red is where I'm going to put my image. Okay? Okay. So right now, what follows? I can even this is where I'm going to put my image. Now the next one which follows is the title, where I'm going to put the title. Okay? Okay. So I can come I put here, for example, div. Then I put here class name. Members, by this time you have, I believe no one has problems with props. Okay? Okay. So I put here class name. I put here, for example, full. Width full. Okay. Then I put here height. Height I can maybe put like 7 VH. Okay. Then I come, I put here BG may be gray, okay? Gray may be like gray 500 or gray 600, okay? Okay, so outside looks like, it's like that, okay? Okay, so this is where I'm going to put the title. This is where I'm going to put the title, okay? So I'm going to put the title. So the title is going to be there. So I can even come, I put here maybe title, okay? Title. So this way I'm going to put the title of the, I can even maybe come, I put here maybe instead of just title, I put here television, okay? Okay, so television is there. Remember, we normally start with 1, always and always start with 1, okay? Okay, so I come, I put here, for example, here flex, then I put here item center, then I put here justify center, okay? Justify center. So it's coming in the center, it's like that, okay? Okay, so let me put some bit of font of bold. I come, I put here some bit of bold, okay? Okay, then I come, I put here, let me say here font bold, okay? Okay, so I want to see it, okay? Then I come, I put here maybe text, then I come, I put here maybe extra large, okay? Text extra large, okay? Okay, so it's coming, it's like that, okay? Okay, so what is missing is the description and the price, okay? Okay, so right now the description and the price is the one that is missing. So what I want to do, I want to come here and put here, for example, div, okay? Then I come, I put here class name, class name, when I put here inside the class name I'm putting for example width full, then I put here height, maybe height is, let me say that height is maybe like 20 vh or 20 vh. Then I come, I put here bg, let me say here amber, okay? Amber 700, okay? Okay, so amber 700, as you can see, it's like that. So it looks like that, okay? Okay, so right now maybe let me try to reduce a little bit the height, the one for the put, let me say like 30 vh, okay? Okay, let me say 35 vh, 35 vh, okay? Okay, so that's view height, so it looks good, okay? It looks better. So right now, as you can see, I'm going to come, I put inside this one here, the one with container here. I'm going to come, I put here Lauren, okay? I'm going to come here, I put here Lauren. Give me a simple description, okay? Okay, so as you can see, it looks like that. So what am I going to do? I'm going to come here, and I put here, let me say here, right now I'm going to come, I put here padding of maybe like 4, okay? Padding of maybe like 4. So it's coming. Okay, so I understand the text is too large. It's too large on my side. So what am I going to do? I'm going to come, I put here text, okay? Text, then I put here, XL, okay? Then I put there XL. No, not XL. I put here SM, OMD, OMD. Okay, so the description is good, as you can see. The description is there, okay? Okay, okay. So members, now we're going to the price. We're now going to the price, okay? We're now going to the price. So I'm going to come here, I create the container for the price, okay? I create the container for the price. So I come here, I put here, for example, div, okay? Then I come, I put here class name, then I come, I put here width, full, okay? Then I put here height, then I say here, what is the height? Height is maybe like 10 vh, okay? 10 vh, okay? Okay, then I come, I put here width full, height full, then I come, I put here background, then I put here maybe green, okay? Green, just like that, So members, as you can see, maybe let me first put yellow, let me first put some bit of yellow, okay? Maybe no, maybe let me put it, let me leave it okay, it's there, it has come. So amber 400. So I'd say it looks like that, okay? Okay, so I hope it has not entered inside, because this is catastrophe if it enters inside like that, okay? Okay, so okay, it looks good. So let me say here 8 vh, and I see Okay, it looks good. Okay. So right now, what is going to happen? I'm going to come. I put the price there. I'm going to come here and I put the price. I put here, for example, price. Okay, then I put here price. Then I put here U price. The price is in dollars. Okay, the price is in dollars. The price is in dollars. As you can see here, price is in dollars. Then I can come. I put here, for example, 5,000. Okay, 5,000 US dollars. Okay. So members, as you can see, it's like that, 5,000 US dollars. As you can see them, they are there. Okay. So the price is USD. And I come, I put here, it's like that. Okay. So members, as you can see, price is there. So you can see everything is good. Okay. So even if I come on my UI, you will see it's there. So what am I going to do? Let me put some bit of centering. I come inside here, and I put here flex. Okay, then I come, I put the items center, then I come, I put the justify center. Okay, justify center, as you can see, it's there, so it comes in the center, just like that. Okay. So as it looks very good on my side right now, everything is still moving smoothly, not until I begin bringing the data from a particular place. Okay. So right now, let me come here. I put here now. As you can see, right now, this one where it is read, I want to put an image. Okay, I want to put an image. So what am I going to do? I'm going to come here, put here next image. Okay, next image, from next image. Okay. And remember, as we started that this image here, it comes with a lot of requirements. So, for example, source directory. Okay, the source. Okay, then I come, I put here alt. Then I come, I put here alt, alternative text. Okay, then I come, I put there width, and width. This one is a monitoring check. Okay, this is a monitoring check. Width is like, for example, like, let me say like 500 or 600. Okay, just for just this is practice. It is practice. Okay. So I can put maybe like width is maybe like 600. Okay, width is maybe like 600. And I come, I put here, for example, height and I put the height is maybe like 500. Okay, height is maybe like 500. Okay, as you can see, it looks like that. So members, what am I going to do right now? I have no public folder here. So I have no public. So what am I going to do? I'm going to come here. Okay, I'm going to come outside here, and I create the public folder. Okay, the public folder is here. So what am I going to do? It is empty. As you see it, it's empty here. Okay, so what am I going to do? I'm going to come here. For example, there's like this television here. Are you seeing this television? I'm going to come and I drag it and put it inside there. But how am I going to do this? I'm going to come here, open the file, the folder, open the folder. As you can see, it looks like that. So members, as you see here, here there will be like a desktop. Okay, desktop, and then we go down. So members, as you see here, the TV is here. Okay, the TV is there. So members, as you see, it's there. So what is going to happen? Okay, so here members, we are now going to put the image of it. Are you seeing it? Are you seeing? So we put here the image component. Remember, we said that it has the source, the alt, the width, and the height. Okay. So right now I want to get my image. I have in the public folder is here. It does no images. I want to come here, out here. I want to come here, out here. Inside my folder here. My folder is here. Remember, are you seeing my folder? My folder is here. My folder is there. Inside the public folder here, I'm going to come when I place my image. For example, my image is here, that which has the TV. Okay, I'm going to first start with one. I'm going to put other images as time goes on. Okay, so I bring my image, I put it there very well. Okay, my image, I put it there very well. Are you seeing, members? Okay, so at this moment here, I'm now going to come. You see my television is, I'm going to put it inside there. Okay. So right now you're going to see my TV is here, TV.webp. Are you seeing this? TV.webp. But I'm going to change. You can even, the good thing with VS Code is that you can even change the format. If it comes like a WebP, you can change it to even a JPG. Okay? I can even say change it to a PNG or to a JPEG. Okay? Okay. So me I can change this one to a JPG. Okay? TV.jpg. Okay? It's a more understandable format for the browser, okay? If you leave it in those formats, for example, FVIF, those formats which it comes with, they become a little bit complex. When you are hosting it, when you are putting it, when you are deploying it onto the servers of GitHub, and even Vercel, sometimes they get some slight errors, okay? Okay, but it's very good for you to leave it, to change it maybe to a format that is really understandable, JPG, JPEG, or PNG, okay? Okay, so me I'm changing it to this one here from the other one of FVIF. Okay, okay. So members, now after doing that, then I come here. So I call that, I put it there and I call it. Okay, I come, I say here, I say here slash, and I put it exactly as it is. I can even maybe name it TV1 because there are a lot of other televisions coming. Okay, okay. So I can name it TV1.jpg. Okay. Okay, so I say here dv1.jpg. Okay, okay, just like this. So after doing that, then I come here. It comes, okay? It comes. Are you seeing it, members? Are you seeing it? Wow. So let me put some bit of padding. Let me put some bit of padding. I'm seeing it there. Let me put some bit of padding. I come here, I put here, for example, padding 4. Okay? Padding of 4. Oh, I'm seeing now. I'm seeing what is happening. I'm seeing what is happening. No class. There is no class. There is no any class. Okay. Okay. So I come here. I put a class name on the image itself. On the image, and I come. I put class name, and I put here width. Width. I come. I put here max width. Max. Max width. Full. Okay. Then I come. I put here height. Full. Okay. Just like that. Just like that. So it's there, okay? So it is there, okay? Okay. Just like this, as simple as soon as you finish this, then everything is good, okay? As long as you can build the first one, everything is good. The next thing which you have to do, I told you that isolate the data. I told you that after doing this, we started the props and we even started how to isolate data, okay? Okay, so the next thing is to isolate this data. Isolate this data. This data, okay? Put it somewhere. Change the location of this data. Are you seeing? Change the location of this data. Isolate the data. I don't want the data to be like this. This is the old format of doing things, okay? Okay, so I'm going to isolate this data and I put the data in a central place. I'm going to put the data in a central place. Put the data in a central place. Okay. Okay, so you're going to see what I'm going to do. I'm going to come here. For example, you see everything is working very well. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to come here, create my file called data.ts outside. Okay, data.ts. Okay, it's there, as you can see it outside there. Then I come like this. I create here. I say here const television television data. Okay, television data. Okay, television data is equal to and I put a bracket like this. You see, it's going to come in form of brackets. Okay, it's going to come in form of brackets. Okay, remember as we started this in our previous class. Okay, okay, I put this and I bring it there. Okay, so what am I going to do? I'm going to now come and I put various categories. Okay, Okay, so I'm going to come and look at this product. I said this one is which one? This one is an image, okay? This one is an image, okay? Okay, so I come like this. I remember we started this one, we were studying props, okay? We started this one, we were studying props. I now just put these brackets here. So I come here, I put here image, okay? Image, and I put there this, okay? 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 Okay. So I'm now bringing it in form. I'm now bringing it in the form of an object. Okay. Okay. So when I come here, this one is done. I come here, television. Are you seeing the television? So I bring this one. I cut and I leave just this JavaScript brackets because that is going to come in form of JavaScript. Okay. Okay. Then I bring it here. Then I bring it here. I say here title. Title, and I put this. Okay. No. I put string and I put this. Okay. Okay. So that's good. That is good. Then I come here in description. I come here in description. I also cut it. Okay. And I leave these brackets here. Okay. And I come on my data.ts here. Okay. And I put there the description. Okay. And I put this. Okay. And I put those quotes and I put this. Okay. Okay. So I must help you really understand where we are going. Okay. Okay. So even here I put here comma, separate them. Okay. So when I come here on my product.ts here, my price, I see my price where it is. So this is nothing that is going to change. I don't want to remove the price, this one, the USD, leave those ones. Just change this because the number is going to change. Okay. Okay. So what I can do is just change that number. I remove that number and then I leave it with those quotes, okay? I leave it with those quotes, okay? Okay. So when I leave it with those quotes, I come here in my data.ts here. Then I put here price, okay? Then I put this, and I put the prices there, okay? 5,000, okay? Okay. Now the big question is, how do I now bring this data here? Okay, how do I now bring this data here inside this? Because right now you will see I've left it with all those opening brackets. So I think right now it has disappeared. It has even gone away. Okay, okay, okay. So how do I bring how do I bring that data back inside there? So you see my data is like this. So what do? I export this data from this data.ts. Okay, I export. I say yeah, export. Okay. Okay. So I export it. The export cost data. It's there. Okay. So I am now sending it away from this data.ts. Okay. This file here. So what am I going to do? I'm going to come. Where's the product container? The product container is here. Okay. The product container is here. Now this is now where the product is. Okay. This is now where. Don't be confused, members. This is now where the product is. Yeah. When the product is here, it enters directly to come to this product here. Okay. Look at where the product is. Yeah. The product is here. Okay. It comes here. Okay, you'll have a lot of files which have props and you even get confused where the data is. I won't send the data. We send data through this product here. Where these blank quotes are. This one here, this blank quote, even this one here. Even this one here. It is all falling under this corporate here product. Okay? Product. Are you seeing it? So even here, you see that even it is here, the product, okay? This corporate here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to come in. I begin to call that one by one. Call it one by one. But in terms of that image, okay? Okay. So I come and say here title. Okay? Title. No, let me first start with image. Image is the first one. Image. Okay? Image. Then I say is equal to, and I bring those quotes like that. Remember, we started the props, we started all the lessons in props, okay? Okay. And I call this data here from the data.ts. Okay? I call it. So where is it? It is here. Let me put it actually here. So I first call the television data, as you see, that television data. And I say dot image. I see television data dot image. Television data, and I said dot title. Television data dot description. Television data dot price. I'm calling that image, okay? That the object, okay? Okay. So I come here, okay? I come here, okay? And I say here, television data, okay? Then when I click on this one here, like this, it imports. Are you see? It imports it from data. Are you see? It has already imported it from data, okay? Okay. And I come, I say here, dot, yeah, image, okay? This is good. This is good, okay? Okay. So dot image, okay? Okay. So what do I do next? And let me first work on the image now. I come here, since remember that we're doing props. When you put like this, you send it. It means that you are sending this image, this one here, into this product here. Okay? Okay. So this image, as we are seeing it here, I come here on this product here, I accept, I bring it, I say, oh, okay, I am now confirming that I've set that image. Okay? So let me now get it. I come like this, I get it, I say here image. Okay? Okay, so I've got it very well. But now TypeScript is complaining that that put the type, this one here, type, this image type implicitly has any. So put the type of this one. And you can see clearly that the type of this one is a string. Are you see? Okay. So I come here, I put here, it's like this, and I say here image string. Image string, okay? Okay, just like that. Then I just come and bring this image here as you see it here. Now that we have used, okay, I bring it here. As simple and precise and concise as that. Okay? Simple, concise, and precise as that. Okay? 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 Okay. So, remember, this is how it is. So, you will see it comes very well. It comes. But now these others are not yet come. So these ones, they are the ones that we are left to work on. This one, this one, this one. Are you seeing members? Are you seeing? Are you seeing members? Okay? So these others are the ones that we are left to work on. So what are you going to do? I'm going to come here, title, television. Very good. Title, I've run. And so I'm going to come next. My next step is television data, title. Okay, television data title. So I come here. Where is my product container? It is here. And now here, product. So I come here. I say here, television data. No, I put here title. Title is equal to television data. Television data dot title. Okay, title. Title. This title here you're seeing here. Okay. Don't confuse this title here. Yeah? Don't confuse this title here with this title here which I'm putting here. Yeah? Don't confuse it with this title which I'm putting here. These are two different things. The title which I'm putting here is different from the title which I put in that side, okay? Okay. This title here is I'm sending, this one is the one that I'm using to send, okay? That is inside this product, okay? Okay. So right now, as you can see, so I come here, product is here, and I bring it here. Okay, I say here title. Okay, title, and I come, I say here title, and I put here string, title string. Okay, then I come inside here and I put here, inside here I put here title. Okay, okay, just like that, So then we see it has come television. Are you seeing members? Are you seeing? Are you seeing members very well? This is very good. Okay? Okay. So now we are going to which one? I'm going to the description. So I come here. The description is now that we are left with. I come here. I put here description. This. I put here description. Okay? Description, just like this. And I say is equal to and I put now the quotes like this, okay? And I say here television data dot description, okay? Okay, and I come here, I put it here now, okay? And I come here, I put it here. So now I come, I put like this, television description, okay? Description, and I come inside here, and I put here, description, description is a string, okay? Okay, so I get this very description which is here. Then I put it inside here. Okay? I put it inside there. And once I do that, you want what is going to happen. It comes. Are you seeing the description? It comes very, very well. Okay? Comes very, very well. Wow, members. Wow. Okay? Okay. So now what am I left with is the price. Okay? The price. So I want to come here. The price is here. Price, and this one is, you see, price is a number. Are you seeing price is a number? It's not a string. Price is a number, okay? Okay. So I come here. I say here. Now it is here, okay? I come, it's there. And I come, I say here. Then I come, I say that. I come and say that television data. I come, I say here that price, okay, is equal to, okay, and is equal to, and I come, I say here, television data dot, yeah, price, okay, okay. And I come here on data, I come here to the product here, and I call it here. I say here, now it's not missing. I say here price, okay, price, and I come here and I put here, then I put here price string, price string. Price is num, okay, okay. And I come here and I bring it here very well, and it is here, okay. So I bring this price as you see it here. And I put it there, okay, okay. I put it there like this price, okay, okay. So it must wow, okay, okay. So you see here, it has come very well, okay, okay, okay. So the first step is to first make, first make the first card, first make the first card, the first card work, okay. First make the first card work, then you go to other, cards, okay. Then you go to other cards, okay, okay, okay. So members, you can see everything looks to be good here on my side, okay. Everything looks to be very good on my side, okay, okay. Now how do I now tackle whereby I have now very many televisions, okay. If I have now very many televisions, how do I do that? Okay, how do I now, that's the next step we are going to, okay, okay. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you how we are going to do this. But members, first take some notes. As we do this, okay? Take some notes about what we have done, even here the data.ts, okay? If you have any problem, take some notes. I'm giving you like 1 minute to take some notes, okay? Okay. Okay, so members, I hope you have taken some notes there, okay? So members, I hope you have taken some notes, okay? Okay. So members, we are going to come here, for example, now internet here, and I'm going to get some other images of televisions, okay? I'm going to come and get some other images of televisions. I can come and say here televisions, okay? televisions. There's some problem with the internet. Some problem with the internet. Let me see. Okay, it's there. So it's there. Okay. Okay. So is there some problem with the internet? Let me see. So it's coming. It's coming. Just give it some small time. 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 So it's coming. Okay. Okay. So there are other televisions. Okay. Are you seeing here? So let's even just come on images here and we see. Just come on images here and we see. So I can get any image, okay? Let me even get this one here. Let me say here save image as television 2. TV2. I can even just call it TV2, okay? Okay. Then I come here, I group another image like this one here, and I say let me get like for example like this one here. Let me get for example like this one here. Which other image can I get which is very nice looking? Let me get this one here, okay? Then I save it as television 3. Save as television 3. TV3. Okay? TV3. Okay? Okay. And I look for another image. Let me look for another image. Which other image can I get? I can get maybe this one here. It looks good. And I come, I save it. Save it as television 4. Save it as TV4. Okay? Okay. Then I come here. I now look for another image. Look for another image, look for another image, look for another image. Which one is another good one? I come, I save this one as television 5, TV5, TV5. Okay, okay. Then I look for another good image. Which other good image can I get? I'm looking for another good image. Maybe let me look at each other one is good. Which other one is good? Maybe let me get this one here. I save it as TV6. Save as TV6. Okay? Save as TV6. Okay? Save as TV6. Okay? Let me look for another one. At least let me make them like 7. Okay? Let me make them like 7. Okay, this one is good. Okay? So let me come this one. I save it as TV7. 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 Okay? Okay. So right now, I hope these ones are enough. These ones are enough for me for now. Okay? These ones are enough for me for now. These ones here are enough for me for now. Okay? These ones here are enough for me for now. Okay? Okay. So right now, I want to see them where they are. If for you, they can even come and download folder. For me, I made my downloads by default to come on the desktop, and I just see them directly. Okay? Okay. So they are here. As you can see, they are here. So the next step is to get these images here and put them in the public folder. This public folder here. Okay? Remember, we learned about the what? The image component, how it works, okay? Okay. So right now, before I can do that, the good thing is that I've gotten the images. The good thing that I've gotten the images. I want to first duplicate this card here and I see how it looks like in case they are 5, in case they are 4, how do they look like on the screen, okay? Okay. So let me first come here, I duplicate that card and I see. I come here. You see why there is product here? I see why there is product. I'm going to come like this. I copy this product here. And I duplicate like 3 times and I see how it looks like. Okay? And duplicate like 3 times and I see how it looks like. Okay? Okay. So and the first time, the second time, the third time. Okay? I have duplicated it for now. They are now 4. They are now 4 products. Okay? Okay. So let's see how they look like. And see how they look like. Okay, you see right now they are all going down. I want them to display in form of a grid format, okay? Display in form of a grid format, okay? So what am I going to do? I'm going to come here on the product container. You see the way the product container is here, okay? So the product container has no problem, just that we have to put here display grid, okay? Just say here grid, okay? And I say here grid columns. Grid columns, I want to put like 3, okay? Just like that, okay? Okay, so I'll tell you how it looks like now. So now they shift like this, okay? Okay, so what am I going to, I'm going to put here? Width full, width full, width full, okay? Okay, so I'm going to go on the product here. This is what the product is. So here I put width of a quarter. So I'm going to come, I put here width full, okay? Width full, okay? Just like this. So outside it looks like now they come very well. Are you seeing? They now come very, very well. Okay? Okay. So what am I going to do next? I'm going to put some bit of padding. Okay? Some bit of padding onto the outside container. I come and put here some bit of padding. I say here padding maybe like 6. Okay? Top and bottom. Like 6, okay? Okay. Maybe padding of, let me say like 8, because I'm seeing like as if give it some bit of breathing space, okay? Okay, yeah, so that one is good, okay? That one is good. So maybe, let me even set 10, and I see 10. Okay, 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 yes, 10 is good, okay? Okay, now I'm going to give you some bit of, of gap, okay? Because right now it is joined together, they are joined together, 1, 2, 3, they are all joined together. So I'll give it some bit of gap. I come and give it here gap of maybe like 4, gap of 4, and I say it looks like okay. So members, it looks very good, as you can see it here, okay? It looks very, very good. After me doing this, then it is done. It is done. So what am I going to do? I just come in and remove these duplicates here. It will not be like this. I just come and remove these duplicates. Remove the duplicate, even remove this duplicate. I just using them to see how things are going to run. Okay? Move the duplicate, even this one, remove the duplicate. Okay? Okay. So everything goes back to normal. Everything goes back to normal. So there's only one card left here. There's only one card left here. Okay? There's only one card left here. Okay? Okay. So the next step is I'm going to take the step of putting other televisions, okay? Like this one, TV like that, okay? Okay, that's the next step that I am going for. So what am I going to do? I'm going to come here, okay? I'm going to come here. So put now all the TV images, put them inside here, put them there very fast, okay? That's the next step, okay? So I get all these television images, I put them there. TV4 is there, TV6 is there, TV6 is there, okay? TV7 is there, okay? Then I put here TV3 is there. Then I put here TV5 is there, okay? Then I put here TV2 is also there, okay? Okay. So members, everything looks to be good on my side, okay? Okay. So right now you can see TV4 is there, TV6, TV7, everything looks to be very, very good, okay? Okay. So here members, as you can see, so here as you can see, so here members, as you can see that now we have seen that we have now put our images very well, okay? TV1, TV2, TV3, TV4, TV5, TV6, and TV7, okay? Okay. So this is data for other televisions, okay? Okay. So right now I'm going to come here in data here. My data. Are you seeing the data which is here? Okay. So I'm going to put other data, other sets of data, okay? So I can come and put them here, other sets of data. I can come and put here my object very well. Are you seeing my object? Okay? My object. So I can maybe just try to copy this one here as it looks, and I just change the description and the price and everything. Just have a starting point, okay? Okay. So I come and put this one here, I put it inside here, okay? And I put now the data, okay? Now there is something that is happening. We cannot do like this. We cannot do like this, okay? We cannot do like this. I did it intentionally to show it to you that you cannot do like this. You can't have objects which are like this. Then another object comes like this, okay? They will highlight it red. It will be highlighted red as an error, okay? So what do we normally do? Because we are now having multiple sets of data. We are now having multiple sets of data. When we are having multiple sets of data, multiple sets of data, okay, we now put them in an array. We now put them in an array, okay? From just a single object, we put there an array. We put there an array, okay? And that array here is that is going to enable us to have put there different sets of objects, okay? In this array, we're going to put there different objects. We're going to put there different objects. So here, members, you're seeing here that I'm going to put here different objects. Different objects inside this array here. Inside this array. Okay? I'm going to put here different objects inside this array here. So here, members, we're going to put these various different objects inside this array here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to come inside here. You see this overall data, let me even first take it back. Okay, before even I put that, okay? Okay, so right now I'm going to change the format. I'm going to change the format from just this object here, and then it holds multiple data. I'm going to come here. I even first change even this one here. I even put here televisions data. Okay? Televisions data. This one you can leave it the way it is, but for me, just for me to understand it better, I just put here televisions data. Okay? Okay. Then I change the format from this one here, where it is just a single object, to an array. Because too much data is coming, okay? Because too much data is coming. So I put now an array like this. Are you seeing now, members? Then I put inside like this, okay? Then I put inside like this, okay? Okay. This one here, the array, it contains multiple objects, okay? It can't just be a single object, okay? Okay. So right now, as you can see, because if this array here, it enables us to loop through to get just one image. You can't just leave it like an object. Then you put multiple objects inside an object. You have to do it in an array, okay? Okay. So members, it looks good there as you can see. So I'm going to come here. I just copy like this one here, okay? I just copy like this one. No. I just copy like this one here. Control copy, okay? Then I put here a comma. Then I put now another one there, okay? So there are 7 televisions, okay? There are 7 televisions. So I can come, I put here 2. I'm just copying 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, there are now 7 televisions. But now, members, I cannot leave them yet. Right now that I have introduced multiple data inside an array, yeah, everything will work smoothly. But now you have to identify. You will have to identify, yeah, identify a particular television, a particular television, okay? A particular television, okay? You have to identify a particular television. And members, to identify a particular television, you require an ID. An ID. It may not hit you in the beginning, but when you reach things where you have to update or delete, that's why you see the whole UI can become a mess. Okay? The whole UI can become a mess. Okay? Okay. So you require an ID. An ID. This now we are identifying. In the beginning, not necessary because we only had only one. But right now, since we are having multiple sets of data inside an array, you require now an ID. An ID has to come. If you don't have an ID, you have a slug. Okay? If you don't have an ID, you have a slug. So you have to choose which of which. Okay? Which of which you are going with. But me, at the moment, I require an ID. Okay? Okay. I can come here on the first one. I put ID. I put here ID. Okay? ID. Then I put here no. And what is happening? What is happening? What is happening? Okay? What is happening to my UI? So I put here ID 1. Okay? Just like this. Just like that. Okay? And I put here ID 2. ID 2. Okay? Just like this. Okay? And I come here, I put here now ID 3. Okay? ID 3. This way now I'm bringing multiple sets of data. I have to identify them. Then I come here, I put here ID 4. Are you seeing now, members? ID 4. Then I put here ID 5. Okay? ID 5. Okay? Then I put here ID 6. ID 6. Okay? ID 6. Then I come here, I put here ID 7. ID 7. Okay? Because there are very many. Okay? Okay. So members, you can see it looks very good as you can see it here. Okay? It looks very good as you can see it right now. Okay? Okay. So what is left? Since I put here ID, even my database I have to change. My small data, I have to change this also, and I saw that I have put an ID. Okay? Are you understand now, members? So when I go in my data here, in my small data here, where is my data? My data is here. So members, there's something I want to show you. Right now, you can see we have here image, title, description like this. So we are going to remove all of this. Okay? We don't want it to be like this, so cluttery like this. Okay? I Control X. Okay? And I now put the product types. Product. Let me even first show you how number it appears. It appears like this. It appears like this. I put here type, and I say here product types. Okay, product types just like this. Okay, okay. So product type is like this, and I put here equal signs is equal to, and I put this. Okay, okay, and I put the product types they are there. No, let me move. I put there. They are there. Okay, they are there. So I put here image string, and I put here title like this, and I put here description like this, and I put here price like this. Okay, price number. Are you seeing this, members? Are you seeing this, members? Okay. So this exact product types I've put here as my product types. I copy this one here. You can. There's no need of this one. This is not the only name that is there. You can put your own name. Your own name. Okay. You can put your own name. So I put them. I put it here. Okay. I put it there. Okay. Okay. So I don't want these. Normally it looks like this, but me I don't want these types to be even here. I want to put them in another place. Okay. In another place, so they just come from that place and they just come. Okay, so I'm going to come outside here. Okay, I'm going to come outside here, and I put here types.ts. Okay, types.ts, and I bring the types. I come, I Control X, and I bring the types here. I bring them here. Okay, so after doing that, this I'm taking them onto this page here. Since I'm taking them onto this page, I put here export. I put there export. Okay, export product types, and I bring the types here. So I just come here, since they are already exported, I just come where the extreme end here where there's S. I press Control and space bar. They bring for me suggestion here, types. Okay, and they come very well. And they come very, very well. Okay? Okay. So members, I hope you have understood that step. So members, in part of what I'm going to do, you can see a television data. Let me first see a television data. Is here television data? Okay? Okay. Right now I can see everything is now okay here. So members, you can see it looks very good. So when we go back to our data, are you seeing our data which is here? Okay? Are you seeing our data which is here? Where is our data? Where is our data? And look at our data which is here. Are you seeing our data which is here? Okay? Since there are very many arrays, there are very many multiple objects inside this one here. But you see, members, there's something which I'm going to tell you. There is what we call type safety. Even this data which you're seeing here is also not safe. It is not safe against types, okay? It is not safe against types. So what we normally do is we can use the same types which you have already configured here, and also we bring them here, okay? And also bring them here. This they are the same, okay? Type safety. Okay, even this data here requires us to define some types. Okay, but right now I know that the types we are using, they are the same. Okay, they are the same types with even this other thing on the product. Okay, so just come here. I say here equal signs, as you can see. I put the colon there. The colon is there, and I put the product types. Product types. Okay, product types, as you can see it here. Since this one is an array, since television data is an array, are you seeing television data is an array? Television data is an array. Are you seeing this? I put here product types here is also an array. Okay, just like this, as simple as that. Now they're telling us that ID is not defined. You see, when I come and move over here, they're showing us that ID is a number. ID is a number, and ID does not exist. Does not exist. Does not exist. They are bringing for me that error. Read that error. ID does not exist on type product types. So I just come here, product types here. Where is the product types? They are here. And I add it there. I add it there. Okay? The product types I add there. ID. Number. Okay? ID. Number. As simple as that. Okay? ID. Number. So members, everything is good. Everything is now good on my side. Okay? Okay. So right now, let me just now change the televisions. Okay? Let me now put tv2.jpg. JPEG. Put their television tv2.jpg. Okay? And I can even come and put maybe television 2 there. Okay? And this one maybe is like 6,000. Maybe maybe let me just put like, this one is like maybe like 6,500. Okay? Okay. So then I come I put there. Now this one I come I put there television 3. Television 3.jpg. Okay? I understand what they are doing. They are telling me here. So here we didn't complete. I put your ID 3. Okay, ID 3. Okay, just like this. So okay, so ID 1, 2, 3. This one was 4. This one was 4. This one was 5. Okay. It's good. So right now this is 3. This is television 3. Are you seeing this one? The JPEG. So this is television 3. Television 3. Okay. So I can maybe put like 7,000. Okay. I'm just putting random prices. Okay. And even I don't know their names. If you know their names, you can just put their names exactly as they are. When I don't know their names, I'm just using this as an example for you to see. Okay. Okay. And I put this one as television 4.jpg. .jpg, just like this. And I come maybe I put this one like as, this one is like 4,000. Okay. Okay. And I put this one as television 4. Okay. Okay. And I look for this one here, television 5.jpg. Television 5.jpg, just like this. JPEG. Okay. Television 5.jpg, just like this. Television 5.jpg. Then this one here, it is goes for 3,000. Let me say this one is 3,000, as you see it there. This one is 3,000, as you see it there. Okay. Okay. So this one is television 5. As you see it there, television 5. Then I put this one here. Now this one is television 6. So the image you see here, television 6. I put it there. Television 6.jpg. And I maybe this one is maybe like, let me say like 4. Maybe 400. Okay. This one is television 6. Television 6. No. Television 6. Okay. Okay. And right now I can come and I put this one as maybe television 7, as you can see, a television 7. Okay, television 7.jpg. And I put there television 7. Okay, This one, like, maybe put like this is, let me say this one is 5780, like this, okay? Okay, just like that, okay? Okay. So right now, as when you go on my UI right now, after me doing that, see, so members, as you can see, after me doing something like this, okay? Okay. When you go back on our UI here, when you go on our UI, you see that it requires now us to work on the data part, okay? On the okay, okay. So right now, how are you going to do this? How are you going to do this? Right now, we are not. Remember that in our previous example here, when we were doing this, in the beginning we had something like this, okay? Okay. So right now, this one is a single product. Okay, this one is a single product. Okay, okay, okay. So what we are going to loop through this product. Are you seeing this? We're going to loop through this product, okay, to get a single television. We have here, when you come on our data here, we have very many televisions. Eh? This is now television's data. This is now television's data. So we have to loop through this television data, and we get a single television, a single television, a single television, a single television, okay? Okay, so how are we going to do this? You're going to come here, we're going to come here, okay, here. I can come, maybe I can come even, I show it to you. Let me even come here, down here below, and I show you I'm going to loop through. I come here, I open the JavaScript brackets, okay? I open the JavaScript brackets, okay? Okay, then I come, I say here, television's data. Television's data. I see television's data, okay? Television's data. I see this television's data. I copy it, then I bring it there, okay? Television's data, okay? I say dot map, okay? Then I open here the quotes. Are you seeing? I open the quotes here. Are you seeing the quotes? Yeah. Then I now open now this one here, and I say here television data. Television. I put here single television. Let me put here single. Single television. Television data. Single television data. I'm looking through very many televisions to get a single television. Okay. 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 Then I come, I put there the arrow function as you see it there. So members, now what used to confuse me most of the time was why is that some people they normally put here, someone puts here brackets, okay, then some other person puts there these curved brackets here. These curved brackets here mean that you don't need to put return, okay? If you put the curved brackets, this one's here, yeah. If you put these curly brackets, okay, you will have to come here and put here return, okay, return as a must, okay, okay. So if you don't put there those, if you just leave, if you don't use these brackets here which are curved, these curly brackets here, you use these ones, the curly brackets, you don't need to put their return, okay, you don't need to put their return, okay, okay. So I'm going to use this one because this one is more straightforward. So I put there like this, okay. After me doing something like this, then I come, I remove, I can even come, I copy all of this and I put it there. Okay? It's no longer like that, it comes inside here like this, okay? Because we are looping through all this one to get a single television, okay? Okay. So instead of the way it was here, I now remove this. Okay? And now I put single television data.image. Okay? And I remove this, and I put here single television data.title, okay, and I remove this, and I put here single television data.description, and I remove this, and I put here single, move this, and I put here single television data.price, okay, okay. So where's now this one here is showing that it cannot find name television data. What you need to do is only one. Come here at the end, then you say your control and spacebar, and it brings me suggestion television data, and it's coming from data this side. Are you seeing where the data is here? Okay, and I tap on that suggestion here. So right now, as you can see, it has gone. It has now gone. Are you seeing? It has gone. It has gone. Okay. Are you seeing this, members? Are you seeing this? Are you seeing this? Are you seeing this? It has gone. Okay, so everything looks to be good on my side right now. Everything looks to be good. Okay, okay. So we have now looked through very many televisions data, and we have gotten a single television data, and that single television data we are using it on the product here. Okay, okay. So what I got to do now? Now they're saying an error here. Product ID is missing. Okay, product ID is missing. So I come here. So members, when we look through, come here, put here. When we look through when we look through, when we look through, eh, to get a single product, okay, a single product, we require a key. We require we require we require a key prop, okay, a key prop, okay, a key prop, okay, a key prop, okay. Okay, so I after on this one here, I didn't require it in the beginning, but right now since we're having very many items, I require a key as an identifier. A key is that key is an identifier. It identifies all these IDs here. Okay, it identifies all the IDs. So I come here, I put here key. Are you seeing this one here? And I put here single television data dot ID. Just like this, okay. Okay, so even here now, even I require even the ID is also missing. So I come here, after this I put here ID, okay, ID, then I put here single television data dot ID, okay, dot ID, like this, okay. Okay, so after me doing something like this, then it is okay, everything I have finished, everything is done. Everything is done, okay. Everything is done. So right now, after doing this, I feel like everything is now done. You can come here and see they are now there. They have come. Are you seeing? They have come very well, as you see them here, okay. Okay, I think there's a problem with this television 7. There could be a problem with television 7. There could be a problem with television 7. Let me first go on the data and I see data tv7.jpe. You see JPE. Okay? Okay. So it's coming. It's coming. So it's there. Okay? It is there. Okay? Okay. So members, you can see very well how the data is, how the data looks like. Okay? Okay. So right now I see that the televisions are being stretched beyond even their capacity. Okay? I'm saying they are being stretched beyond even their capacity. Let me first come here on where there is I put here mean height, maybe mean height, okay, mean height full, no, mean height full, just like this. Okay, I'm saying this is a problem. So I'm saying they are being stretched beyond even their capacity. But let's go with this. So what everything looks to be good on my side here, apart from this one here. This one doesn't look to be good. I think the image came like this. Okay? Okay. So right now you can see it looks like this, like that, okay? Okay. So right now maybe I can come and I remove this one as you see it here. I make the cards look nice, okay? Okay. So I come and remove the red. I even remove this one. I maybe make it white. Maybe make it white. Okay. And I remove this one here. I make it white also. I remove this color here, the gray. I can even come and remove this color here, the amber. I even come and remove this one here, the yellow color. Okay. I remove the yellow color like that. So it's coming. It looks like this. Okay. Okay, just like this. So as you can see, it looks like this. It's like this. Okay. Okay, so let me add some rounding on the cards. Let me add some rounding on the cards. I come here, I put here rounded MD, rounded media. So it's coming like that, okay? Okay, and my cards look very nice, as you can see them, they are there. Okay, they have televisions on them, okay? Okay, so members, I hope you understand this concept very, very well. Okay, and even they have various prices. This is 5,000, this is 6,000, 7,000, like that. You can just change the description. The description I won't tamper with it, but if you have a description, you can change the description depending on what you want. Okay, okay. So your television is like this. Okay, okay, okay. So everything is very good as you see it there. This is television. This is television. I'm seeing an extra television here. Huh, what is this? Television one, two, three. I'm seeing an extra television here. Hmm? Data here is confusing. Let me see here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, there is 4, 4. 4, 4. Okay, 4, 4. Television 4. Dot J. Peg just like this. Okay, okay. So it's coming like that. It's like that. Okay. Let me refresh the UI and I put your television 4. Okay, okay, just like this. So it's there, okay? Television 4 and this one is television 7, okay? Everything is good, okay? Okay. So if you have any problem with this concept, please let me know in the comment section. I see how I can help you, okay? I see how I can help you. But right now, I don't feel like you have any problem as far as props are concerned, okay? Okay? Okay. So members, there is another concept I want to introduce here. I want to introduce the concept of conditional rendering. Actually, this is the concept of conditional rendering. Okay, okay. This one here, at the moment, you have mastered the prompts, how prompts move. Okay. So right now, there's another concept here. When you come here on everything is good here. So this one you can even close this data here. We can even close the types here. We can even close the products. Maybe the product here I can close it. Okay. Now I go on the page. On the page here. On the page. Are you seeing the page here? On the page here. Okay? Are you seeing the page which is here? So, members, there's something I want to introduce to you. In case these products fail to show up, maybe because of poor internet connection, or maybe the internet is not good, or the product has been removed. How do we deal with that? How do we deal with that? Okay? How do we deal with that? Okay? So we're going to see that is where now conditional rendering comes in. That's where now conditional rendering comes in. So I'm going to come here. Let me even first comment this one, and I create the no product container. The no product container. I come here in my content in my components here, and I create the no product container. I come here, I in my inside here, and I create here the no product container. No product container, okay? .ts6, okay? So the no product container .ts6 is here. Then I come, I put here RFC, okay? RFC, okay? And I'm now going to put there. Let me even first style it. Now after doing this, I can come, I can say a class name, and I put here width, full, and I put here height screen, okay? Height screen. And I put here background color, maybe orange red. Maybe orange, red, okay? Orange, red, just like the let me put here orange, 600, okay? Orange 600, just like this. So remember, this is a no product container. You can even put an image in this no product container, or you can leave it like that, okay? Okay. But right now, I want to explain this concept very well for someone to really understand it. Okay? Okay. So members, I'm going to explain this concept for someone to really understand it very, very, very well. So members are going to see how this one is going to look like. I'm going to come on the product component here, on the page here. Okay, and now I've commented this one, so I don't expect it to appear on the page. It has disappeared. Okay, okay. Right now I'm going to come and I pull the no product container. I put it there. I say here, I put here and I say no product container, as you see it there. Then I come and do like this, okay? Okay. So I'm expecting that one to show up instead. Okay, it is here. It is now here. Remember that I've commented the product container, this one here, which has the products, okay? Okay. So what am I going to do? Right now I'm here. Right now I am here, okay? On the no product container. Right now, let me even first see here. So I'm going to come here. I get here, some image here. I say here, no products, no products, no products available. No products available. Okay? I come there, I get here, no products available. Okay? So I can come here. I want to get okay. This one is good. This one is good. This one even brings it out better. So this one here, I come here, I say here, I come here and I say here, I come and I say here, maybe let me say here, no product available, no product found. Okay? This one also brings it very well. This one also brings it very well. Okay? This one also brings it very well. So I can come, maybe I copy, I save this image. Save this image as no product. I save it as no product. I can save it as no product. Okay? I can save it as no product. No product. No product. No product. Okay? No product. Just like this. Not PNG. Okay? Okay. So I'm going to save that image. It is very good. It is very, very good. Okay? Okay. So no product found. So I can come and I put it here. I can come and I put it here on the no product container here. No product container. So I bring it inside my public folder here and I put it there. So members, as you can see, I'm going to bring it inside my public folder, okay? Inside my public folder. So I wonder now, where is it? It's here. It is here. I bring it inside my public folder. It's here. Okay? It is there. Okay? So I'm going to come and I start it very well. I start it very well. And I say here, I come, I start, I say here, width. I can maybe come, I put here. I'm going to put two divisions. I put a division for the title and division for that image. So I'm going to come, I put here class name, and I put here width full, and I come, I put here height may be like height. Let me put like maybe like 20 or 30 vh, 30 vh, okay, 30 vh, okay. And I come and I put here background color, maybe I can put like purple, okay, purple like this, okay, okay. And I put here no products found, only television found, okay, no products, no products, no products, products found, or no products available, okay, no products available, okay, no products available, okay, just like this. So how this it looks like, it's coming, it's coming, it's coming. So it's there, it is here, okay. So I want to put in the center, I want to put it in the center. I put come and I put in the center, I put here flex, I put here item center, and I put here justify center, okay, just like this. Okay, so and I come, I put here increase its size. I put here I come and I put there I come and I put there text, and I put here 4XL, I see 4XL. Okay, 4XL, as you can see it here. And I put here text bold, text bold. And I put here text bold. Oh, I put here font bold, font bold. Then I put here font bold, okay? Okay, so it looks like this, okay? No products available. Then I come here, and I come here and I now put now another div. And I put now another div, okay? Now this div is going to have my image. I'm going to come here, I say here class name, and I put here width full. Then I come, I put here height, then I put here maybe like, let me put maybe like 30 VH or so, 30 vh. Okay, and I come and I put here background color, and I put there maybe like amber. Okay, like this one, amber 700. Okay, so that's how it looks like. It is there. Okay, it is there. So members, you can see how it looks like. Okay, okay. So what am I going to do? What am I going to do? Maybe let me put like 60 LIC, 60 VH LIC, 60 VH LIC. Looks like that, okay? It looks like this. So what am I going to do? What am I going to do? I'm going to come and I get this image here. No product, no product.png. Are you seeing this image here? No product.png. Are you seeing this image? Okay? So I'm going to come and I put it there. So you can put anything. You can even come and say here, no televisions available. No televisions available. Or no products available. Okay? Okay. So anything you want. And I come and I put now the image. I come and I put the image tag there. I put down the image tag there. Okay? Image, just like this. And I put there source src, just like this. Source. So I put there source as you see it there. And I put now the alt, okay, alternative text, okay. The source, then the alternative text, the source alternative text. Then I put here, you know, there you normally comes with 4. There's even width, okay. Then there is even height, okay. There's even height, okay. Okay. So let me come and call this image here from next image, okay. So like that. So this one I can even come and put here maybe 500, even before even I see. I just know already that is how it's may be. Then I come and put here no product image, okay, just like this. Then I now come and I put now this image. The image is here, no product.png, no product dot png, okay. Okay, so as it looks like this. So let me say it looks like it's coming. I hope it is good quality. I hope it is very good quality. It is here, but I know it is shrink. You know when the browser, this place on the browser, there's a way it shrinks itself. There's a way it shrinks itself. So I come here and I put here display flex, and I put the item center, justify center, okay, just like this. So it's in the center here. It's in the center, okay. So this one is a low quality image, but this is just for you to understand, okay. It's just for you to understand. The next time we shall put a better looking image, okay. Okay. So right now, as you can see, it's like this. After me doing something like this, I can even come in and remove the colors now. Come in and remove the colors. This one, the purple. Come and remove the purple. Come in and remove the orange. This orange here, okay. So I leave it when it's purely white, okay. Looks like this, okay. No products available. Maybe I can even make it to gray. Text gray, okay. Text gray, gray maybe like 400, okay. Okay, no products available, just something like this, okay, something like this. But right now, no products available, maybe like 500 is good. Okay, no products available. Are you saying this one here? This page here, I've built this page, okay? I have built this page, okay? Okay. So in the case, I can even come and put it there. In case the products fail to show up, in case the products fail to show up, yeah? Maybe because of an internet connection. Maybe because of an internet connection. Because of poor internet connection. Maybe because of poor internet connection. Yeah? Maybe because of poor internet connection. Yeah? maybe because of poor internet connection, or maybe they have been removed, or a product has been removed, or one has been removed, or one has been, or they have been removed. They have been removed, or maybe they have been removed. Okay, this page here will show up. This page here will show up. This page you're seeing here, it will show up. Where is the page? This page here you're seeing here, it will show up. Okay. So how do we do that thing whereby if the products fail to show up, this page here shows up? Okay. This is now the condition. This is when we now set a condition. We now set a condition. I come on this page here, where there is the main page, and I now set a condition. Okay? I now set a condition. I now set a condition. Remember now there are now two containers. There's a container having no products, and there's a container having the products. Okay? The products container. So now I come and I set a condition. Set a condition. Set a condition. Now I set a condition, okay? That if there is no any product, if there is no, or if there is no, or if there is no product, or I can even say slash zero products, okay? The no products container, the no products container shows up. The no products container shows up. Okay. This one is supposed to be no products container. I can even change it here. Rename no products container. Products container shows up. So I can even come here and then I rename it here. No products container. It shows up. So even on the page here, it is there. Okay. Yes. Change the imports. Okay, so no product container, the no product container shows up. This is the condition that you're going to set. Okay, So how do we do that? We use conditional rendering. Remember, we started conditional rendering. I come and I put here my JavaScript here. So these ones are just for you to take some notes. This is just for you now to take some notes. Okay, And I come and I put this one. Now I'm going to base on the data. My data here is synced here. I see the data which is here. I'm going to base on this data here. Okay? I'm going to base on my emphasis is going to be on this data here. Okay? This data you're seeing here. I'm going to come here and I put this condition here. I'm going to put this condition. I come I say here, data dot television data. I even first import it very well. I import it and it is here. Okay? I've imported the television data and it's here. Okay? So it is there. And I say if television data dot and if a television data, I come and I say here, if the television data is less, it is less or equal to zero, Remember this condition I'm putting here. If there is no, if there is no NS0, if there are zero products, okay? If television data is less or equal to zero, okay? And I put this condition here, okay? Show this. The products. Show this, okay? Products container. Or, when I put there or, okay? Or, show this no products container, okay? Or show the no products container, just like this, okay? Just like this. So there is something here that is not happening, right? But I'm going to see it. There's a condition I'm putting here. And number. They are being for me here. Operator. I understand what they are saying. What about if I put it in quotes like this? No. What about if I do like this? So members, there is something here they are saying. So here members, there is something here which you have to do. In so it would be like this, eh? I was confused it somewhere. That's why they are showing me number, something like this, okay? It's television data dot length. I had forgotten this. I had forgotten this. Dot length, yeah, if it is less than 0, yeah, then you show this, okay? Or yeah, or if it is, you show this one here, product container, okay? Okay. So or you show the product container, this one, okay? Okay, just like this, okay? Just like this. So this one I can remove it, this one is no longer works, okay? Okay. So members, this is how the condition goes. I just wanted something small. Television data dot length is if dot length is greater or equal to 0, you put this, okay? So here members, it was like this, eh? Television data dot length, eh, is greater than if television data is great dot length is greater than 0, then you show this product container, okay? If the product container, if the length is less than 0, else it will show this one here. You know, products container. As simple as that. Remember, you just mark this. Just mark this, okay? And this is the condition that we have set. This is the condition that we have set. Television data dot length is greater than 0, show this, okay? If it is else, it is you show this one here, okay? Okay. So after doing that, it's going to be good, okay? So right now there are products, and the products are there. You can see the products are here. So what happens if I come and I switch off the products by mistake? If I come on my data here, this is where my data is. Then I switch off the products by mistake. Let me say I come, for example, like here. I see here. Yeah? I see here. Then I switch off the products by mistake. No. Let me come here. I see here. Then I switch off the products by mistake. Okay? Then I switch off the products by mistake. Maybe in case it fails to show up by internet or there is an internet connection. Okay? There is a problem with the internet. Okay? So what is going to happen? What is going to happen? They will bring for me no products available. Okay? Are you seeing this very well? They bring for me no products available. In case there is no any internet or the internet gets a problem. This one I'm trying to show you the case in case the product fail to show up. Okay? In case the product fail to show up. Okay? In case the product fail to show up, this one will show, this page here will show. Okay? If the product show up very well, the product show up very well, then it will not make the products show up. Okay? In case the products fail to show up, yeah, in case the products fail to show up, because maybe of internet connection or there is a problem with the fetching, okay? So we are going to even look at this. This concept will be too much when we have data fetching, okay? So this one here, the products, no products are available, okay? Okay. So this one here makes you a real developer. This one here makes you a real developer, okay? Makes you a real, very high quality developer. Understand that concept is enough, okay? Okay. So members, please keep practicing this, practice this on a daily basis. It will change your life, okay? Okay. So members, this is very good. Keep practice on a daily basis. And members, if you haven't yet subscribed, please hit the subscribe button and notification icon so you don't miss any of the upcoming classes, okay? Okay. So this, I hope right now you have understood this, okay? Okay. Have a very good day. We shall meet in the next class tomorrow, okay? Okay.